The pullback in gold, silver, and the mining stocks is about to end, and we're about to see another move up to the upside. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders. So, traders, my birthday is coming up in a few days. So I'm actually running a 95% off sale to my coaching program. So here's what I want you to do. One, go get access to that free trading course. When you get access to the free trading course, there's a link at the top of the free trading course you're going to get instant access to that literally gives you a link to that free, and I'm running it for 24 hours, to a 95% off my Inner Circle program. Plus, I've also put the replay up of a training that I did recently as well too. So if that interests you guys, then again, click on that. Go put your email address in. When you get access, you get instant access to the free trading course. There's going to be a link at the top of the free trading course that's going to give you access to that 95% off my Inner Circle program. So let's actually have a look at what's going on with the market, the gold and silver and so on and so forth. So gold or silver right now is having a good pullback. But one thing I'm seeing right now when it comes to silver is that silver is coming right down to a level of really good, strong level of support through here. As you can see, right? Really good, strong level of support through there. So that's what we're seeing right there when it comes to silver, and we're coming back right down now. So what I do see is possibly going to happen, and it's right near a 50% Fibonacci. So what's probably going to happen, I'm seeing here, is there's a real good chance that we're going to find support here, and we're going to start to see a bit of a rally out of this level through here, breaking out of this level. And once that happens, right, once that starts to happen, then we can start to see a really big move to the upside from there. Moving over now through to gold. And gold is sort of the similar same thing as well too. So we can see here that we have gold is pulling back right now. Gold's had a very big strong move to the upside, and now we're going through a pullback phase. To me, the pullback phase is going to be ending soon, and they're about to see another big strong leg to the upside. We had a very strong move up from here, then a pullback, and then another big strong move to the upside from there as well too. So I see that through there. So bam, we can actually see that. So there, we can see that's happening with silver, with gold there, and then we can see that's what's going on right now. That I do see happening with gold. So I do believe gold's going to start to pick back up. So if I flick that over to what's happening with the mining sector as well too, so look at the GDXJ. GDXJ is having a very big, nice pullback as well too, right? Really big pullback. I do see we're coming down to a strong level of support down here as well too, but I take that off the screen because one thing I do see is that this here has come up through here, and we're getting a pullback through here. I do see it's probably going to find support soon, and we're probably going to start to see the big move up. Now, if we do that and we start to break out of this, because this is a big massive sort of a big massive sort of what's the word for it? A big massive sort of pattern through here, right? Big massive triangle pattern through there, as you can see, from there to there. So big massive pattern. What we're seeing here, right, we get a bit of a pullback. We're probably likely to see the move. We're probably likely to start to see a really big move up. Now, once we actually start to break out of this level here, expect fireworks, all right? Fireworks are coming with the GDXJ. So expect that. That's what I'm seeing happening right there. Also looking at the GDX as well too, we're getting a very strong pullback from here, but I believe this pullback is going to end real soon. And what I do see happening is that we got this pullback, and they're probably likely to start to see something like that in the markets there. So that's generally what I'm seeing from there, from that perspective, from that there. So a really big thing from there for when it comes back to that as well too. And then, so they're the few things, guys, that I want to share with you. Have a look at the silver mining stocks. The silver mining stocks, I'm not getting. It's obviously all mining stocks, right? But I'm not getting the same sort of big, sort of strong, powerful patterns that I'm noticing right now for when it comes to the silver mining stocks. We may get the silver or the SILJ just didn't get a really big move up, so I'm not getting a good clear reading on that. The SIL, same sort of thing. I'm just not getting a good clear reading from this here. We did come up to the resistance line and then back off. The powerful thing is that if you're interested in the silver mining sector, the powerful thing to look out for is that if we do create a higher low and we start to break above 35, if that happens, we're probably going to see a really big move to the upside from there, looking at that through there. Quick little update across the actual stocky market itself. Stocky market is Oh, it's really, 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 really interesting, right? Look at this here. Look at this. It's just squeezing up. This is a major resistance level, and we're coming up to a bear flag. Coming up to a bull flag here. So if we see this here from there to there, if we see this bull flag formation from there to there, as you can see, we're seeing this here. This does not mean it's going to. It doesn't mean it's got to break to the upside. A lot of people are going to make a mistake that when they see this here, they see that if we do something like that, right from there to there, if we start to do something like that, then yes, we're going to see the move to the upside. But what can also happen is when we actually get a drop to the downside. And if that happens, then we're probably likely to see a movement on the downside from there on the S&P 500. Move even out through to the Nasdaq, and the Nasdaq, same sort of thing, right? We've got this bull flag formation forming through here, but just because it's a bull flag, right, all through here, just because this is a bull flag from here and we're getting this sort of flag formation does not mean it's going to break to the upside. Because what can happen once again is that we can get a break down like that. And if that does happen, guys, it's now become a false breakout, and we're probably going to see a move back down to new lows from there, from that there. And the same for the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones is sort of still squeezing out of this pattern here. Where's it going to break next year? Where's it going to break next week after the holiday? Do we get something like that, or do we not? So there's a bit of an update, guys, for you. I'll see you in the next one.